Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. Good morning, children. Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning,
all
ma'am.
of you. All of you, switch on your videos. Alan, Shankari, Prarthana has some problem. Adnan, Varda. Who's this? Russell's vlogs. Who's this? Hmm? Hello. Who's this? Russell? Ansel? Varda? Asin? Salin? Shankari? Okay, good morning. Good morning once again. Okay, last day we discussed about what? Shivanya?
Lines and angles.
Which topic?
Ma'am, we did problems based on.
Read last question.
Okay. Ma'am, that homework question, what we want to do?
That X and Y is not mentioned, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You do other questions. And I will
Ma'am,
maybe.
can I read the question?
Yes, sure.
Angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT.
Yeah. Angle PQR equal to PRQ. This third one. Okay. Now write
Yes,
next question. Question number 4.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number. Let me check. Page 97. Fourth question. Page 97. It is there on the board.
Ma'am, question number.
4. Question number 4. If x plus y equal to y plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. X plus y plus z plus w. What is sum of those 4 angles? Sum of 4 angles. O is a point and 4
Yes.
angles. So what is that sum?
360.
360. Okay, so we know that x plus y plus z plus w equal to 360 degree. Sum of angles around a point. Reason, sum of angles around a point. Sum of angles around a point. And given that x plus y equal to w plus z. X plus y equal to w plus z. So this is, we have to prove AOB is a line. Okay. So x plus y plus, instead of w plus or z plus w, I am writing again x plus y equal to 360. So 2 into x plus y, or one more line we will write 2x plus 2y equal to 360. 2 into x plus y is 360. So x plus y equal to 360 by 2, 180 degree. 180 degree. X plus y equal to 180 degree. So what can we write? Sum of 2 adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Then AOB say?
Line.
AOB is a line. See here forms a linear pair. X plus y is 180 degree. So we can write the AOB is a line. Therefore, AOB is a line because non-common
Ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
Chunya,
you have written in brackets, right? Sum of angles around a
around a point, around a point. AOB is a line. Reason X and Y form a linear pair. X and Y forms a linear pair. Now write question number 5.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 5. POQ is a line. Ray OR perpendicular to line PQ. And this is the figure. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Draw the figure.
Ma'am, that is a part of that angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2 half of.
Ma'am, that also should write.
That was the question. This is the question. Prove that. Fourth one, can I drop over all of you? No. Fifth question. POQ is a line. OR perpendicular to line PQ. OR, ray OR perpendicular to PQ, or one more ray OS, which is between OP and OR, lies between OP and OR.
$90.
Over? Wrote all of you?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
no, ma'am.
OR is perpendicular. Okay, here, this angle is 90 degree. That is QOR is 90 degrees. So what about the POR, angle POR? Look at the figure. Angle QOR 90 degree. It is given in the figure. So what about angle POR?
Ma'am, 90 degree.
90 degree. That also 90 degree. We need to prove angle QOS minus POS equal to ROS. ROS is this small angle. Okay. Okay. Angle QOS. All of you move your fingers through that angle QOS. Do you see that QOS in your figure?
Yes.
And it is the sum of two angles, isn't it? Angle
Yes.
QOS. QOS can be written as sum of two angles. Which are they? QOS is sum of two angles. Which are they?
Yes. So,
Angle QOS is sum of two angles. Which are they? Angle?
ROS.
Ma'am, QOR and
Angle QOR plus angle
ROS.
ROS. Angle ROS. Equation number 1. QOS is QOR plus ROS. Similarly, POS. Angle POS. How can we express POS? POS can be written as
POR.
Try.
POR plus SOR
POR
plus SOR.
POR plus SOR. Is it POS?
ROS.
POR plus POS.
POR plus
POS.
POS. What? POS. POS can be written as POR.
POQ.
POR
POQ. What is POQ? It's a line.
I'm half of POR.
Huh? POR.
Half
POR equal to
Ma'am, 180 minus QOS.
180 minus QOS. No, POR after that what? That you can see. POR 180 minus QOS, okay, but that is no need for our problem. POS equal to POR, angle POR
divided by 2.
divided by 12.
Ma'am plus ROS.
ROS plus POS. I told you, no, you move your fingers through those angles, then say.
POR minus SOR.
Yes, POR minus SOR. POS is POR minus SOR, correct? POR minus angle SOR, equation number 2. See, POS is this angle. It is POR minus SOR. Minus SOR. Or we will write ROS because in the question it is written as ROS. So we will write ROS. The first equation also we wrote as ROS. No? Both are same. SOR and ROS are same. So we will
Ma'am,
write.
I have said that, then you told that, not that.
What did you said? POR
Ma'am,
minus
ROS I have said.
POR minus ROS you said?
Yes.
Minus ROS said, but it's not minus, Mithun. You said
okay.
plus. ROS I had, but you said it is plus.
Okay.
Not plus. Okay. 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 So we have equation 1 and 2. Now subtract 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. What you will get? Try. One minus 2. That is QOS minus angle POS equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS minus of in bracket angle.
ROS will cut.
Yes, correct. POR minus angle ROS. This cut, can we cut ROS? Beyond?
Yes, no.
And yes,
Yes.
which can be cut? Which can we can cut, but which one? This minus become plus ROS. So can we cut plus ROS and plus
No.
ROS? No. So which can be cut? We can cut.
No.
Which one can be cut?
ROS.
ROS. Can we cut ROS? Can we cancel anything here? ROS plus ROS, how can we cut? Both are positive. So how can we? Can we cut anything here?
No.
No?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
All of you, can we cut anything here? Alan?
No, ma'am.
No? Vinayak?
No, ma'am.
No? Now, Prarthana, Shivanya, then who are there?
No, ma'am.
Shankari, can we cut anything here? QOR plus
OR.
ROS minus POR.
OR and OS.
Ma'am, or
OR and
OR and
OS.
Q.
What is that OR? OR what?
ma'am, ray or
Rayo. Ray is there in this line. What is the ray? Any ray?
sorry.
Huh?
No.
Is there any ray? Think. I need an answer from you. Think, all of you. Don't sit simply. Anlia. Angle QOR plus angle ROS minus angle POR plus ROS.
Ma'am, POR.
POR. How? Children, if you are not trying, you can't do any problems. If you are facing a new problem, how you will do? If I say this about this, very simple. But if you are not thinking, you can't attend any of a new. If a new question comes to you, you can't do anything. Krishnaveni, can we cancel any terms here? Everything, no, you can't cancel anything. Nothing is there for cancelling.
POR and QOR.
Why? If you say POR and QR, what is the reason? Simply you can't cancel. You have to some reason. Why?
Linear pair.
QOR and POR are the linear pair. QOR. Linear pairs can we cancel? If we have two linear pairs, can we cancel those two linear pairs?
No, ma'am.
And then they are linear pair. QOR plus QOR and POR are linear pairs. If you found any linear pairs, can we cancel them? Anyway, we can cancel, but I won't say the reason. You have to.
90.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. See the first sentence that we wrote. Minus 90 plus angle ROS. Plus 90 and minus 90 we can cancel. Okay. So this is equal to 2 angle ROS. So angle ROS is 1/2. Left side is what? Angle QOS minus angle POS. 1/2 into QOS minus POS. Now question number 6. X, Y, Z is 64. It is given that angle XYZ equal to 64. XY is produced to point P.
Next question, which?
6 1 6. Can I rub this? Wrote all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 6. XYZ equal to 64 and XY produced.
That question figure is not there.
No, figure is not given. See the question. Draw a figure from the given information. So you have to draw the figure. XY is produced to a point P. So we are producing XY to P. If YQ bisect ZYP, video is not working. Hmm? Hmm. Not working. Only 10 more minutes. Okay. What is given? XY is produced to a point P. Then if ray YQ bisect ZYP. Is ZYP a P YQ? So Q will be here. YQ bisect ZYP. So these two angles are equal. YQ bisect ZYP. Find XYQ. XYQ and reflex QYP. XYQ and reflex QYP, given that XYZ is 64. 64 degree. Try. XY produced point P. XYZ is 64. XYZ 64. Then ZYQ bisect ZYP. Find XYQ. All of you try. Given that YQ bisect ZYP, so these two angles are equal. So you can write PYQ and Q angle PYQ equal to angle ZYQ. Because YQ
Ma'am,
by
the video is off.
video is not working. Some problem is there. It's not working. I tried, but it is not working. It's not working. Something has happened. PYQ equal to ZYQ. Reason YQ bisect ZYP. YQ bisects ZYP. So these two angles are equal. Question, first you try to get XYQ. Children, all of you try.
Ma'am,
Ah,
Alan Joy is in the waiting room.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, angle PYQ is equal to angle ZYR.
Which one? Which one? Which one? Say
Angle PYQ.
PYQ equal to
ZYR is this.
no Q. R is not there. How R is Q?
Ma'am, that looks like R. The
Q. Okay, it is Q. Q set by Q. How much this angle P Y Z? Can you say
116 degree.
how much?
116 degree.
Yes. Reason?
Linear pair.
Linear pair. 116.
180 minus
Okay.
64.
Correct. So what about YZQ angle?
Ma'am,
or
so
is it Z by
116 by 2.
Yes, good. Half of 116. So it is how much? Z by Q.
Ma'am, that reason we have to write.
58.
Yes, write the
Linear
reason.
58.
Here you can write linear pair.
Ma'am, 58.
58. Okay. So this angle is 58. So how much angle XYQ? XYQ is angle XYQ. XYQ. XYQ is total angle. XYQ is
122.
How? 58
58 plus 64.
122 degree. Correct. So we got one answer. One more question. Reflex QYP, reflex QYP. QYP. So this is the reflex QYP, this magenta color. How much it is?
Ma'am, can you say again?
Reflex QYP. QYP is this angle, this blue color angle, QYP. So its reflex angle is this magenta color I have marked. QYP, reflex QYP. How much it is?
Ma'am, 360 minus 58 degree.
Yes, correct. Reflex QYP is 360 minus 58 degree. Because this is 58 no. 360 minus 58 degree. And it is equal to
302.
302. Correct. 302.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
we can do 122 plus 180.
Correct, that also you can do, yes, because this is a line, no. So PYX is line, 180 plus 58 plus 64, that also correct, very good. I'm waiting for somebody will say that, correct. That way also you can do, both are correct. Okay, clear all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Today also I will send some
Ma'am, that
homework.
other method also we have to write or
No, anyone you need. If you want, you can write in your bracket or in your working column, you can write, because both way you will get. If you understood, no problem. No need to write. Both are simple. Anyway, any of the method you can choose.
ma'am, second way is the 360 minus 122, right?
No. Second method is this 180. PYX is 180 plus 64 plus 58. Adding these three angles.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, attendance.
Attendance, 1 second, please. Before that, next heading is parallel lines and transversal. Write this heading, all of you. Contact with Jeevan, ask him to call me, okay? Because I can't connect with him, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, thank you. Bye. Next period, we will discuss about parallel lines
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
its properties.
Thank
okay?
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.